SalonGalaxy.com. I'm here, you'll be here.
Shari Manon for SalonGalaxy.com, and I'm here with Julian Macias, and we're here at NAHA. You are nominated in 2 categories.
Am I really happy of being nominated in NAHA? It's the first time I made it, and I made it in 2. So
that's incredible. First time, not just in 1 category, but 2 categories.
Yes.
This is incredible, and you look very young to me. Tell me how old you are.
26. I'm 26 years old.
26 years young. This is the future of our industry. 26 years old and nominated in 2 categories. But you know what else is also incredible? At SalonGalaxy.com, you've actually won something already. The night hasn't even started, and he has won the viewer's pick. An overwhelming response. They chose you. How does that feel?
Oh, I feel great. I didn't imagine that it can happen to me, and it's a big thing. You know, I just can say thank you to everyone. All that the work that I do is to share and inspire my friends and other hairstylists all over the world. And I really think that right now, we the young talented can do more and more and more. We also can inspire. The young people can inspire too.
Absolutely, it's amazing, and this is chosen by you guys, your peers. That's amazing. There's no judges here. This is by hairdressers for hairdressers. So we have something to give to you, and I'm going to give it with Art. Art, are you ready? I'm really proud of you for this. You know, when I was 26 years old, I was not at NAHA. Now I did win, but I was a little bit older than 26.
And I gotta tell you, I'm proud of you, buddy.
Thank you very much.
Well, you're proud of this guy? This is the first trophy of the night. He's got the most votes and picked the NAHA winners on SalonGalaxy.com, the most votes on the site. Amazing. 2,000 people voted for this man. It's incredible. And he won. I'm proud.
Congratulations. Yay. SalonGalaxy.com.